So hello guys, welcome to our drive and money, kumusta mo? And today is already July 2026 and money itong drive, we're entering Mandawi City and maritas kaning one of the puhon man-develop ning mayo diri ang Mantawi Residences by Robinson's Land. Yeah, kanina street kaning Zwilig has a lot of interesting developments and buildings actually na kuan lang ba, low-key kayo. Sa maning Umoda and Jayco na service center, di ba? Kung ganahan mo kanang you're into electric vehicles, so one of the those are Umoda and Jayco are one of our two brands na have compelling specs at dapat ninyo ma-check out, although malagi na mas maayo yun mag-canvas mo. It's not just tanaw mo sa hype, tanaw mo sa tanaw mo just ads, o diba? Mas maayo na inyo lang suruyan total na may showrooms ron, maybe have a test drive, diba? To check really the performance, because di ba sana pwede sigla tag dahom sa specs bala lahi rin yung ma-test drive nimo or makita niyo for real ang unit, especially in action sa dalan, diba? Kana mga yan, those are electric cars. I'll also read literature there, basa kag mga reviews sa mga latest news kinaman yung mga recall kanya kanindot sa car industry kay yana naman na dako na kay sila that there are a lot of people who can talk about it. Some are making contents even. So karon din dapitan na nata sa Cebu Dock University, CDU, and dako na kanina building. This is like their extension. So the parking lots are upstairs. So mana taas siya, and diri ni ato mga mga checkpoints diri ang one of the premier schools, universities in Cebu. Duha ka building diri na payo sa ka building the speakers, and over to the right are the buildings of Mandani Bay, development by Hong Kong Land and TAP Properties. Kuapasan. So basically mga kuan sa Mandawi, mga developments diri na hinahinay sa kuan Baruk. And I think nanim nga nagpuyo diha, been there, developments diha. Sa left naman nato is Bay Hotel Cebu. So it's just a trip in Mandawi, kuanta ba. And last night, by the way, napildi gid si Alex Ayala kang Paulini, but when I would say laban na gid sa aksidente mo tayo kapag ang tingali, I don't know. Ligsan, I don't know. And last night napili si Ayala, but the good thing is somehow niya one of the best breakthroughs niya sa Grand Slam career niya. She made it to the 4th round, and he made lots of money also. so I think 300,000 pounds, which is equivalent to around 23 million pesos. Diba? Grabe. So okay kay awesome kay ba? 300k, diba? Kung nidaog pa to siya, nato siya 480k. But Steffi Graf. Ay, you know, facing grab, facing nakapildi niya si Ega Swatik. And you know, katong nakadihas ba? Grand Slam stage, Wimbledon, center court. You played twice already at center court. And you know, di man sad maayam sad yung performance, you know, na straight set si Iga din. She lost sa kang Paulini na 2024 Wimbledon runner up, di ba? So yapon, big achievement yapon, 3 sets, di ba? Si Swatek was the defending champion, by the way. Normally, ginabilban ako des tennis pa na one great week kita. It could, you know, mean a lot already. I mean, daghan kayo. It could go a long way. Yung mga to, lipay sila, lipay kay mga Pinoy. Para kang Alex. Yes. Sa ato sang panahon, no, ang Gilas kilubong magbayo sa Australia. Brownlee didn't play, and I guess grabe yung lubong sa Gilas, luoy kaayo. And sa World Cup, Cristiano Ronaldo will retire, I guess, without a World Cup. Cristiano Ronaldo will will retire without, you know, winning a World Cup. Diba na ousted sila by Spain. So, ang Portugal, ang Spain ay mulaban sa padayon ng Spain, and I think they'll be challenging actually daw Belgium, I think, that beat the US. Kung if the score remained, kita na 3-1 over Belgium. Sige na lang, nipay na lang tas ilang career ba, they made a lot of money na yun. Wala, hanap ng World Cup, there's only one winner. So congrats Spain, yakan isang American na host, I don't know, listen ka na football or so you call soccer over there, they will dominate nila. Pero grabe rin, uwan na. And yes, mga mga latest news and updates diri sa, you know, especially to the sporting world, di ba? And karon we're here in Mandaue, Cebu City, so that's chat a bit. And by the way, this is 7-7 ron. Pretty sure na mga sale lagi ron adlaw. Mayong tagwa mo na budol. But I hope also that you're able to find good deals on things that, you know, you would need. So we'll just wait for and then to go and so now to Lapu-Lapu City. So malagi na on uwa na, and ay bagyo si Bavi or called Inday. Hopefully it will affect the Philippines, of course. O man si Inday sa super typhoon, but hopefully man di ka na makapekto sa tuwa. So stay safe guys and stay warm and dry. And thank you so much for watching this quick update. July 7. Medyo sleepy tagamay sa mga pero bitaw, I hope you had good sleep as well. Bye.